Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Revolut is one of the easiest ways for beginners to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. Instead of buying individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF directly from the Revolut app and manage your portfolio alongside your banking and payments. Revolut offers access to ETFs, fractional investing, and recurring investment plans in many supported regions. Okay, so in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Revolut in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing you have to do is open a Revolut account. So if you don't already have an account, create a Revolut account, complete identity verification, personal information, access setup. So once approved, you will gain access to Revolut's investing features. Okay, so after that, you have to add funds to your account. Okay, so here you have to tap add money, choose your funding method, deposit the amount you want to invest, and wait for the cash to appear in your account. So before investing, transfer money into your Revolut account. Okay, common funding methods include bank transfer, debit card, salary payment. So wait until funds become available after that. So then you have to search for an S&P 500 ETF, like use the search bar and look for one of these popular SP 500 ETFs, as you can see here. So Revolut mobile app, navigate to investing or stocks and ETFs. So as you can see here, search for an S&P 500 ETF, like use the search bar as I said, search for S&P 500 or specific ETF tickers such as VUAA, VUSA, okay, SXR8. So after that, open the ETF page, details, confirm ticker, symbol, fund type, expensive ratio, defined policy. Okay, make sure you are selecting the correct ETF before investing. So as you can see here, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.